What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carvin's Reg, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're finally getting rid of these lights, man. These lights is about to go. I'm about to unveil the lights in just a minute, but we're about to go ahead and pull it up in the driveway so my boy can get to it and get these off and put the new ones on. And I'm so excited because I told you guys before that you know, new lights was coming to the G35 real soon. So we finally got them, and I can't wait to show you. So y'all can see it's in this box. So just give me 1 second, and we in that thing. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, this is the new tail lights right here. See, this one is a JDM style light, so it has the amber light turn signal straight from the 350 GT Skyline or whatever. So that's gonna be the new look for the 35. So these are gonna be gone finally. So I ain't gonna lie, I do not like the 03, 04 tail lights. I like the newer ones better. So I think it's gonna give it a whole nother look. So I'm excited about that. So y'all continue to watch the video to see how the G35 turns out, man. I think it's gonna look A1. Y'all let me know in the comments, did I pick out the right tail lights or what? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, we finna get to it, man. I'm excited. I can't wait. We about to bring it back. Let's go. All right, so y'all can see the first one is in there. It's all flush. It's perfect, man. I can see the orange. I think it's gonna look even better at night though, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, this thing's nice. Got the little trunk button, even though I can't use it, but it is what it is. We're getting ready to take out that one right now. This one's out. Look at it without no tail light. That thing look crazy. Ooh. Man, I'm telling you all, man. This thing gonna look hecka good when both of it's done. I'm gonna show y'all with the brake lights and then with the amber light. And I'm gonna show y'all at night how the way it looks at night too. So this thing look hecka good. I ain't gonna lie. Give it a whole nother look. All right, y'all. It's the finished product right here, man. See the amber light. I can't really see it, but it's on. The light is on compared to that. Which one? Which one, Mark? Which one would you choose?
Definitely that one.
Yeah, those look way better, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Man, these is nice. I ain't gonna lie. Shout out to my boy Mark, man. Put them in for me in like 15 minutes, right? Like 15, 20 minutes. Didn't take too long. But yeah, this look nice. I can't wait to show y'all at night how the way it's gonna look and do some nice ass B-roll to it later on. But yeah, this is fire. Heck of fire. All right, y'all, it's the next day. Mark just put on the tail lights last night, but I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all the 3-step paint correction getting ready to do to my car. So he said it's gonna be A1.
A1, day one.
Okay, so we gonna see. But yeah, you know, he just washing it real quick, just a quick little wash. We're gonna go back to the tail lights and go look at the tail lights one more time. Ooh, looking good, man. I ain't gonna lie, this is satisfying. Watching soap just drop down, this is so satisfying. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this car needed it, man. I had cats all up on my car and stuff like that with their greasy paws, and they scratching up my car and stuff. I'm like, yeah, bruh, I'm gonna need that paint correction for sure. But half of this video is gonna be like a lot of B-roll, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I promise I'm gonna show you guys the tail lights at night, you know, once it become dark, or you know, kind of get dark or whatever, so y'all can see. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna see how this thing turns out at the end.
alright, yeah. Okay, Ring around the rosy, pockets full like OD. I can move just how I move, cause don't nobody know me. Low key, still do more numbers than your fate. You can hate, but you can't say that I've been missing any place. Any fool, what it do? Moving quick, bustin' moves, steps ahead, cause I'm out working while you tryna catch a snooze. Keep it smooth, not concerned with other dudes or what they do. Keep it true, I kick the truth. I'm not here so I could lose. Yeah. How'd you like it back to the bank? Tell her on us. Put in overtime so I do what I wanna. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Okay. Hey. Alright, yeah. Okay. Hey, yeah. Full court press, none stress when I work on. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain. Full court press to the top from the surface. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Your old squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
My name, damn, it's a respect.
Okay, let them know. Nice Uber. All right, y'all, the car is finally done. He went ahead and did his thing, man. Y'all see, man, they're looking real nice. I know y'all seen it yesterday, you know, it was dirty. I didn't show like, you know, official before, but man, this thing is looking nice, bro. It's looking real good. Shining. Look at it, the sun. Ain't looking clean. With the lights in the back, man. Can't wait till it kind of get a little darker so I can show y'all how the way it looks. But man, this thing is looking nice. Shout out to Mark, man. If y'all need a detail from him, man, Instagram is in the description, so definitely go check him out. But looks real good. Looks real good. Now I'm just thinking like, all right, we get some Spec D lights now. Probably put this on coilovers. I've been thinking about putting BCs on here. And man, I mean, we're gonna probably just rock it like that for a while, to be honest. I'm trying to think what else. What I could do, oh, put the subwoofer in the back, but until I get some real money, then that's probably gonna be it. Oh, and of course, some new tips. I do want to get the titanium tip, so that'll definitely be next. But yeah, man, I just love these lights, man. Just look at them, man. Don't y'all think that look cool? Like, oh, look at them, it's on. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. Just look at the circles, man. Look at the definition of the circles, bro. Like, look nice. Let me turn on the blinker so y'all can see the amber light. Y'all see the amber blinker light right here? That's what makes this so different. And it's just nice. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, like, if y'all seen the video when I was returning the tail lights, I had bought these type of tail lights, but they were the US version. But I'm so happy I got these JDM versions. I ain't gonna lie, it just looks different, and it's gonna make mine stand out than the other G35s. That thing looks so different now. Oh, and I do want to get the LED bulb, so this could be a little bit brighter in the back, and then the LEDs on the license plate. So that was gonna be my next things. But man, this thing is looking real good, man. Looking real good. Shout out again to Mark, boy. He did his thing. All right, y'all, so this is how they look at night. They look nice. They look real nice, man. The only thing I really kind of don't like is this part. I wish it was a little bit more brighter, but they do look nice though, I ain't gonna lie. Let me go ahead and turn on the blinkers for y'all. There we go, man. The G35 with the JDM style tail lights, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like. Don't forget to comment. Let me know how you guys like the lights. Do they look good on the G35? Let me know. Do you guys think the detail look good? Let me know. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.